Hello and welcome to the BlueLogix tutorial. My name is Zaki. I'm a trainer here with BlueLogix, and today I'm going to show you how to create a customer's account. To create a customer's account, from the home screen, you're going to need to click on the Customers tab, and what that will do is give you access to all your customers' information. Now, again, if you have a large customer base, you might want to use the filtrations here. Whenever you see this icon right here, that just basically means that you're able to filter any set of data within that column. So make sure you use this whenever possible, especially when looking for a customer. Another feature here with the arrows is if you actually click on the column, what it does is it puts everything in ascending and descending order. Another important tab that you also see quite often in BlueLogix is the Export tab. And what that does is it allows you to export information onto an Excel or a CSV format. And what it does is it really takes all these columns that you see in front of you and exports them into either a CSV or an Excel format. Also, don't forget the advanced search. If you're looking for a specific customer or a specific company name and a parent company, what you can do is you can fill these fields right here and just do a search, and it will search based on the information you provide in these fields. So to create a customer's account, you're going to need to click on the Add Customer tab here. And just to let you know, this is a common theme that you'll see throughout BlueLogix. Whenever you want to add anything, always look between the Settings tab and the Export tab. So what's going to happen here is it's going to prompt you to fill out the basic customer's information. And instead of have you wait, what I'll do is pause and fill out that information. But one thing I want to go over before I do so is I want to put some significance on the email right here. And the reason why is because the email is what is used to communicate with the customer. This is where the customer is going to get their invoice each month. This is where the customer is going to get their notifications, such as the receipts and late payment notifications. And another important thing is this is where the customer might use to log into their storefront. So you want to be very, very careful and selective with this field right here. Everything else that you see here, especially ones where you can choose, those are basic categories that you can set up. Things like the category here that allows you to categorize your customers. And if you go back into the tutorial and look up the session on a category, you'll understand what this field stands for. Other things like your price book, there's also a different session on that, and a cycle. By default, you'll see that the first cycle or price book that you've created is the one you'll see in here by default. So I'm going to pause and fill out that information, and then we'll pick it up from there. All right, so now that I've filled out the information, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on Save here. And what that is going to do is going to save the customer's information. If I click Save and Add, it will save the customer's information and open a new tab so you can insert other customers' information. Cancel, obviously, will cancel whatever that you've done. So I'll click on Save. And look here, this is an example of what the system requires. So this is something I'm going to need to fill out. And you'll see that often happen. Sometimes it could be your email. Sometimes it could be that you forgot the hyphens in your work phone number field. So once you're done figuring out what is wrong, you want to click on Save again and try one more time. Look, now it's saving the information. It's going to load. It's going to give you a success tab right here. And it's also going to prompt you with a results tab that tells you your information has been successfully added. And from here, you could either you're done, or you could click on Add New Customer and add a new customer again. Now, this is not the end of our customer tutorial. There's going to be a lot of things that we're going to need to cover under the customer's account, but this is just basic information on how to create a customer's account. See you on the next session. Goodbye.